Hello friends, today we will learn about the parameters, how we can automatically select by default all the parameters item in a parameter. So for that you can see this is the report. In this report we have a two parameter and one data set. In dataset we have these para fields and I have developed this report. So whenever I run this report, you can see there are two parameter and it required the needed to select these items. Only after that we can run this report. So to avoid this, what we will do, we want this report to run without selecting any parameter item. So by default it should be come with all selected parameter item. Okay, so let's see how we can do that. So for that we need to create first of all one new data set containing all the regions. So for that we just need to go to data sources and need to create one data set, add the data set from here and give a meaningful name for this data set. So we are taking region, so give the proper name region KPI and just create that table by using the query designer. So it's loading query designer, so it will take some time. Let's wait for that. So now it's coming. Now it's came. So just select the required field from the data source. So here we need only regions. So just drag and drop on the canvas and check by executing. So it is okay. Just click on OK and need to click on again OK. Just click on OK. So now we have another table with one field called region. So just go into the parameter and here you can see we have four option: available value and default value. So in available value we just need to specify the table that we have created just now and select the value field, label field, region, and in default value get values from the query. So just select the table name, region KPI, and value field region, and click here on OK. So now you run this report, you can see the all the parameter item will be selected automatically and no need to select it manually. So here you can see the report is loading and after loading you can see all the detail. You can see all the regions, Asia, Europe, or all other regions. So this was the problem. So this has been resolved now. Thank you very much.